Mysore Palace Flowershow was inaugurated on 25th December 2021. It will be open to public till 3rd January 2022. There is no entry fee. Flower show is open from 10 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. The floral replica of Sri Ram Mandir at Ayodhya is the main attraction of this year's flower show. Idols of Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshmana have been installed inside the Ram Mandir. Palace illumination from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. on all the days of flower show. Jagrut Tech is converting the waste plastics into beneficial products. Thereby, it is making the environment free from plastic waste and its pollution. Their Eco Pro products are made from upcycled plastics.